Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how to apply for Klarna financing in 2025. If you're tired of waiting for paychecks to make big purchases, Klarna's Buy Now Pay Later option could be a game changer. It's a flexible way to split payments without the hassle of high-interest loans, and with 2025 updates, it's even more user-friendly. First off, let's quickly cover what Klarna is. Klarna is a popular financial service that partners with thousands of retailers, allowing you to pay for items over time. Think interest-free plans or low-cost installments. But before you dive in, make sure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid government-issued ID, a checking account, and a decent credit history. In 2025, Klarna has streamlined the process, so let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Download the Klarna app from your smartphone's app store or head to their website on your computer. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, step 2 is to create an account. Sign up with your email address, phone number, and a secure password. You'll also need to provide some basic personal info like your name and address. Step 3. Verify your identity. This might involve linking your bank account or uploading a photo of your ID. Don't worry, it's all secure and helps protect against fraud. After that, step 4. Start shopping. When you're at checkout with a Klarna-partnered retailer, select Klarna as your payment method and choose your preferred plan, like paying in 4 installments or over 6 months. Klarna will then perform a quick soft credit check, which usually doesn't affect your credit score. If you're approved, you'll get instant confirmation. Keep in mind, while Klarna is convenient, always review the terms. Some plans might have fees if payments are late. Finally, once approved, you'll set up automatic payments from your linked account. That's it. Applying for Klarna financing in 2025 is straightforward and can help you manage your budget better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.